How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the Account Center option and under the Account Settings tab, you will see the Personal Details option. Tap on that and then tap on the Account Ownership and Control option. Further, tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, select the Deactivate Account option and tap on the Continue button. You will then be required to enter your account's password, so go ahead and enter your account's password and tap on the Continue button and then select a reason for why you are deleting your account and tap on Continue again. Finally, tap on the Deactivate Account button and with this your account will be deactivated. So, this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.